Hello, and welcome to English and IELTS Mastery Hub, the podcast that makes learning English simple and fun. I'm your host, Zia. If you enjoy our lessons, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss an episode.
And I'm Avery. I'm a little nervous today.
Don't be nervous, Avery. Today, we have a very useful lesson. We are going to learn how to navigate an airport. You have a big trip coming up, right?
Yes, it's my first time flying, and I'm worried about speaking English at the airport. It seems so busy and confusing.
That's a very common feeling, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you will feel much more confident. We will go through every step from check-in to exit and practice the exact English phrases you will need. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
First, let's talk about your documents. This is the most important step. Make sure your passport is not expired. Also, check if you need a visa for your destination. It's a good idea to have digital copies of these documents on your phone.
That's a fantastic point, Sia. What should I be doing at home to get ready?
That's a great question, Avery. Let's talk about your carry-on bag. This is the small bag you take with you on the plane. There are some important rules to remember, especially about liquids.
Liquids? You mean like a bottle of water?
Great. So, step one is all about being prepared before you even leave the house. The first thing you should do, ideally 24 hours before your flight, is check in online. You can do this on the airline's website or through their app. This will save you a lot of time at the airport. You'll get your boarding pass digitally, which you can save on your phone.
Okay, I walk up to the counter. What do I say?
It's very simple. You can say, "Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London." Let's practice that. Repeat after me. "Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London."
Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Perfect, Jake. The agent will then ask your passport. They might say, "Can I see your passport, please?" And you give it to them. If you have a large suitcase to put on the plane, you need to tell them.
Oh, right, my checked bag. What's the phrase for that?
You can say, "I have one bag to check." Let's practice. Repeat after me. "I have one bag to check."
I have one bag to check.
Excellent, Avery. After that, they will give you your boarding pass. This is a very important document. It has your gate number and your seat number. Now you're ready for step 2, going through security. This is the part that scares me. The lines, the machines. It's okay. The security officers are there to help. First, you'll show them your boarding pass and passport. Then, you'll need to put your bags and your jacket into plastic bins for the X-ray machine.
I heard I have to take out my computer out of my bag.
That's right. You have to take out laptops and other large electronics. If you're not sure, you can ask an officer. Here's a useful phrase. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, do I need to take out my laptop?"
Excuse me, do I need to take out my laptop?
Great. You also need to take off your belt and sometimes your shoes. Just watch what other people do and listen to the officers. Once you walk through the scanner, you collect your things. Easy.
Okay, I think I can do that. What's next?
Step 3, finding your gate. After security, you'll be in the departures area. Look at your boarding pass. You will see a letter and a number, like B24. That's your gate number.
So I just look for signs for B24.
Exactly. But first, always check the big screens called departure boards. Sometimes gates change. Find your flight number on the screen and confirm the gate number. If you get lost, you can ask for help. Let's practice a phrase. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you tell me where gate B24 is?"
Excuse me, can you tell me where gate B24 is?
You've got it. Once you find your gate, you can sit down and relax until they announce it's time to board the plane. This is making sense. So now we are on the plane. Yes, step 4, on the airplane. The people who help you on the plane are called flight attendants. They are very friendly. You'll find your seat number on your boarding pass. Once you're seated, the flight attendants will come by with drinks or food.
How do I ask for something?
Always be polite. Use please and thank you. If you want water, you can say, "Could I have some water, please?" Let's try it.
Could I have some water, please?
Perfect. Or if you feel cold, you can ask for a blanket. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?
Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?
Wonderful. Now, after the flight lands, you're not done yet. You have to go through step 5, passport control and customs.
This sounds very official and serious.
It is, but it's simple. You'll wait in line to speak to an immigration officer. They will look at your passport and might ask you a question. A common question is, what is the purpose of your visit?
What should I say?
Just be honest and simple. If you are on vacation, you say, I am here for tourism. Let's practice that.
I am here for tourism.
Good. They might also ask, how long will you be staying? You can answer, I will be here for 2 weeks, or however long your trip is. After passport control, you go to customs. If you have nothing to declare, meaning no special items, you just walk through the green channel.
Okay, one final step, right? My bag.
Yes, the last part, step 6, picking up your luggage and leaving the airport. You will go to the baggage claim area. Again, there are screens. Look for your flight number and it will tell you which carousel your bags will be on.
Carousel. That's the moving belt with the suitcases?
That's the one. If you can't find it, you can ask someone. Let's practice our last phrase. Excuse me, where's the baggage claim for the flight from New York?
Excuse me, where is the baggage claim for the flight from New York?
Fantastic! Once you have your bag, you follow the signs for the exit. And you did it! You navigated the airport. How do you feel now, Avery?
I feel so much better. Breaking it down into steps and practicing the phrases makes it seem so much easier. Thank you, Zia.
You're very welcome. The most important things to remember are to stay calm, give yourself plenty of time, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Let's quickly review the key phrases we learned today.
Okay, great idea.
At check-in, hello, I'd like to check in, and I have one bag to check.
At security, excuse me, do I need to take out my laptop?
Finding the gate, excuse me, can you tell me where gate B24 is?
On the plane, could I have some water, please? And could I have a blanket, please?
And at passport control, I am here for tourism.
You're a great teacher, Zia. I'm ready for my trip.
That's wonderful to hear. And to all our listeners, we hope this helps you too. That's all for today on English and IELTS Mastery Hub.